CSS Mastery series. So mastering Flexbox, this is part 3. So we will completing Flexbox in part 3. So this is day 25. Hello fantastic developers, Krishna Sharma here from Kredict and welcome to day 25 of our CSS Mastery series. Today we are diving even deeper into Flexbox with part 3. If you are ready to elevate your layout skill to new heights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more coding adventures. So the power of flex property. The flex property is a key player in Flexbox arsenal. So providing us with precise control over how to flex item, grow or shrink. Let's unlock the full potential the flex property. So here we have a HTML structure with some styles and a body elements. So give a HTML file also, and here I will paste this structure. Just copy this. You can see in the body we have this flex container which is a parent tag, and here we have three element which is flex items, and all the items which have the class flex items, and this is paragraph which is outside from the flex container, and title is fine tuning with flex property. So here we have style tag. In the style tag we give the flex container display flex, border 2 pixels and padding 20 pixels, and we give here flex 1 and 200 pixels. First with for flex grow, then we have flex shrink and flex basis, and border 2 pixel and padding this. So if I see how they are looking, here you can see how they are looking very good. I hope you are getting this. If I change to 1 to 2, you can see no changes. If I give 200 to 400 pixel, then see there is no changes. If I give 100 pixel, then they are shrink and growing. So flex grow is 1. If I give 0, so they are not growing. If I give 1, they are growing. If I give in the place of shrink 0, then no changes. If I give 0 and 0, then see they are not growing and shrinking. I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next. So we have align self property. While align item aligns all the flex items collectively, the align self property allows us to individual item to override the alignment set by the container. So let's see it in action. So here we have this HTML same as before, one parent container and 3 flex items, and in the style tag we given the flex align self to the flex items. So if I copy this and give our HTML file, and let's remove this flex property and give this align self flex end. So first we will remove this and see how the structure is looking. So you can see this structure is looking like this. If I give this align self flex start, oh will be the flex end, sorry, this is flex end we are giving. So all the same as if I give another like flex self center, this is not giving any self because there is a 3 elements. If I remove this 2 and give a flex align self center, let's give some height to our parent container. So if I give parent container, I hide 300 pixel, and we give this a flex end. If I change to flex end to flex start, this is on the starting position. If I give flex and the container is on the flex end. I hope you are getting this. If I give any first baseline, then this is not a property for them. I hope you are getting this. So this is our align self, and we see in this video align self and our flex property. They are also very important to Flexbox. So if you are excited about mastering the nuances of Flexbox, hit like and share your thought in the comments. Subscribe for more daily coding adventures. Tomorrow we will embark on a new journey with CSS Grid, another incredible layout tool. Stay tuned. So thanks for joining me on day 25. I am Krishna Sharma from Kredict signing off. Let's continue to flex our layout muscles and create design that truly stand out.